In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways that you can make money with ChatGo. So let's dive in. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it as an idea generator. So if you're a content creator, for example, and you're looking for ideas, you can ask ChatGPT to give you ideas for videos on a specific topic. For example, I asked it to give me video ideas for a channel, and these are the kind of ideas that it came up with. These are actually really good ideas that I could use to create content for my channel. So one of the things that you can do is just use ChatGPT as an idea generator and then go ahead and execute on those ideas to make money. For example, if you're a content creator, you can monetize your content through ads or sponsorships or affiliate marketing. If you're an artist, you can sell your art online or in person. If you're a musician, you can sell your music or sell tickets to your shows. There are so many different ways that you can monetize your skills, and ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas for how to do that. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it as a tool to automate your work. For example, if you're a writer, you can use ChatGPT to help you write articles or blog posts. You can use it to generate ideas for your writing or even to edit your writing. You can also use it to translate your writing into different languages. So if you're a content creator, for example, and you have a video that you want to translate into different languages, you can use ChatGPT to do that. This can save you a lot of time and money that you would otherwise have to spend on hiring a translator. The next way to make money with ChatGPT is to sell access to it. You can do this by creating a membership site or group where you offer access to ChatGPT as a paid service. For example, you could create a site where you offer access to ChatGPT for a monthly fee. You can also sell access to ChatGPT on a one-time basis. For example, you could create a course that teaches people how to use ChatGPT and charge them a one-time fee to access that course. And the last way to make money with ChatGPT is to simply tell people about it and get paid for referrals. Many companies are now offering cash rewards for people who refer others to their services. For example, I know that a company is offering $50 for every friend that you refer to their service. And all you have to do is share your referral link with others, and when they sign up, you'll get $50. It's really that simple. So those are 6 ways that you can make money with ChatGPT. The possibilities are really endless. So have fun and be creative, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.